Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DY Top 1 channel. Today, I will keep turning the knife. This worn out into an extremely sharp knife. With just the basic tools at home. It helps you save money. It's also very easy. This knife of mine is blunt. Let's start the video. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. It's great to see your support. I'm cutting this welding rod out. This welding rod. The knife is also very effective. Now prepare more. A drill. Let's put a welding rod in the head of that drill. We're going to borrow the rotational force of the drill to be able to grind. The knife is faster. Put some water on the knife. Start grinding. Sharpen from the base of the knife to the tip of the day with your hands. Don't use too much force. Change the side of the knife and continue grinding. Please clean this knife with water. Now let's use a little more toothpaste. A little baking soda, a little water. Mix this mixture up. This mixture will make the knife more shiny. Now, let's test this knife on paper. This knife cuts the paper more smoothly. You can cut them. Other materials. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Share this tip with others. Wishing you success.